Hello, my name is Nicolas. I'm I'm 22 years old, and I wanted to talk about the environmental pollution. The important cause of technology development is an trend to accelerate environmental pollution and deforestation. The rise of big cities and other phenomena that have become a problem in mind. The pollution generated by the technology impacts the human health by the results of zero loss, weather, air, reduce crops, etc. The pollution is real in equal proportion of technology is directly proportional to the achieved. I consider that the current environment provoking environmental damage. The rapid technology growth has accelerated human pollution. There are other causes that increase environmental impact is overpopulation, more food, housing, etc. And is required to supply overpollution. This generates rapid urbanization and scarce natural resources. It is necessary and urgent that the people are friendly with the environment, make reasonable or weather restrictive because otherwise there will be more corruption and deterioration of the environment. So minimize, to minimize environmental pollution, it is necessary that the people become aware of the damage and the take measures from home. I recommend recicling waste, making rational use of water. Additionally, the government must implement control strategies, forcing companies to adopt ecology technology that doesn't impact the environment, that the production process friendly to the environment and